Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Happy Wednesday everyone. So the first thing I wanted to do, which I'm going to record the rest a little later, especially since it is 8:14 in the morning. So yeah, I just wanted to redo the giveaway winners. So here they are. So here are the people that put Coach Random. And I noticed she was the only one that said she would give the envelopes to Tara, which Tara automatically won anyway, right? So I'm going to give her these right here. And then I'm going to send Barbie the 2023 Savings Challenge book, since she was the only one that put hashtag 2023, because the other two people that I originally picked, they never did reply or update or comment or anything. Just subscribe to your channel. I believe your name is it Caprita? Hopefully I said that correct. If so, send me your address of where to send the 7 challenges and I'll get that out. Remember, the faster you send your address, the faster I can get them out, because I am working overtime the rest of this week. And y'all, do y'all know? Well, y'all don't know, but y'all, this is the last week of working overtime at my job for right now. So I am hoping that overtime opens back up in January. Like, I wouldn't mind, I didn't mind working 10 or 12 hours a day. I work from home, so I was all with it, all for it. So the other two challenges that I was given, not other two challenges, because this one isn't a challenge, it's a month ahead. So when I did hashtag mystery, it pulled Kay's name. Thank you so much for entering. And it also pulled Lolita's. Hopefully I'm saying her name correctly, and I know it's not spelled right at all. For a month ahead, she was the only one that wanted that binder, so I'm sending her both a mystery challenge and the month ahead challenge. So just like I said before, the quicker you all send me your address, you can send it to me on Instagram. You can send it to me in an email at idesirewealth@gmail.com. The quicker you do that, the quicker I can get them out. Today, let's see, today I don't work after 3:30. I mean, I come back to work at 5:30, but once I get off at 3:30, I can actually get these sent out today. So, Tara, I have your envelopes already packaged. I just need to get them to the post office. Barbie, just send me a message on Instagram to confirm that your address is still the same. Also, everyone, I do want you all to go to the comment of the video. So this video is the one that I just put out, the previous video from what you're seeing here. And of course my voice may sound much better because y'all, it was 8 o'clock in the morning and this video is upside down, so hold on. And we are back in the direction we need to be in. So let's go ahead and talk about the first week budget check-in. When I say I've only like spent a couple of things or only bought a couple of things and spent a small amount of cash, that's what I mean. So let me go ahead and sit down. So first, I did order a candle warmer that warms from the bottom, and I like it. I can smell, my Bath and Body Works candle without having to light it. It's, y'all, that peach Bellini scent. Oh my goodness. So, anywho, that's not what you're here for. Let's go ahead and talk about my poor little expenses. Since I haven't really purchased anything, let me zoom you all in. That way you can actually see this. So, first, all of this was pretty much from the 14th and the 16th. So, everything from the 14th came from the same store. So, I put everything on one receipt. On the receipt, I just went through. I put household for household spending. Then we have groceries. Then we have Jasmine. Just a lot of household, a lot of Jasmine spending, a lot of grocery spending. So I went through and I took the $50 that I had in cash, gave it to grocery, because I pretty much the money that I had together, I just put it all together, that way I can have the right amount to spend. So for spending, I spent $50, which left me with zero. I spent $65 in grocery. For Jasmine, I did take her $10. And for miscellaneous, I did get the extra $8. That way I can cover the charge for Jasmine. And then a couple days later, we ended up getting Mexican, which was $28 and some change. And that lasted me from the day or night that I got it, and I ate the rest on my lunch the next day. So I paid for that with grocery. But this morning when I double checked my buffer, Jasmine, what are you doing? Don't be over there getting curled up. Girl, you've been sleeping all day. When I checked my buffer, I actually have enough money in buffer to cover this $29 charge. So I had already went through and put the money from the Mexican food in my Discover card, since I did use my Discover card. Y'all, my Navy Federal card, I've been using it too, even though that card is at my mom's house. I've been using it too. So I'm putting 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, $25. So I'm putting $25 back. And I know you're thinking, but that says you owe 29. So in my checking account, the money that I sent over for my Leaders Credit Union bill, I sent over $50, but I only needed to use like 40 something dollars. So I had change from there, and that's going to make that full $29. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And then I would need 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have enough in my checking account and also with my buffer account to pay for this right here. And I've already paid this bill for my credit card, so it's pending now. So by tomorrow or the next day, that balance should be zero. So for grocery, now that we are putting the money back, and Travis did buy us breakfast this morning. We ate from Crackle Barrel, DoorDash of course, because I'm here at work. Let's get these taken care of. So, when it comes to grocery now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 90, 5, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $106 back in grocery. So let me write that down. 106. So there's that. And if I made change correctly when it comes to gas money, I should have 30 bucks. Now, when I went and got gas, the lady, instead of her giving me $9 and some change back, she gave me a full $10 bill, which I'm okay with. You know, if you know, you know. So let's go ahead and get all of this together. And this is for gas. So I should have $40 for gas if I'm not mistaken, which I did not put that down. So I need to do that, and I'll do that later. So for gas, we have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 bucks. So typically was supposed to have 40 bucks, but 39 are due. I actually have quarters all over the place, so I definitely can, you know, add the quarters if I need them. So that's all I have, and my marker is sticking out. So that's all I have in my wallet. And hold on. Okay, so as you all know, Chris over at Budgeting Just Because do sell charms for your binders, wallets, whatever you want to put them on. So I've been using this for the longest, and I want to switch it up. Do you think I should use this one? And I'll pause it and get the other. I would love to use this one, but it doesn't have a clip on it. This is so fitting, for real. Like, look at that. Isn't that nice? And I can always try to see about adding this somehow. And then I have, which I think I may add, Hello Kitty. And my hands are a little ashy, but look, y'all. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my goodness. Thank you so much to Shalinda for buying this for me. She is so sweet. Y'all, look at that. But out of this one may could go on the inside. And then we have this one right here. And I can also, where are they? I can also add this Christmas tree from Chris on the inside, just to, you know, add a little character to it. Okay, y'all, so this came from off of my backpack. Isn't he cute? His leg is a little hurt thanks to the dog. She thought it was a chew toy. And I have this one that came from one of my backpacks I could add on. And this came from my backpack as well. I also have, let's see if I can open it. Ooh, definitely don't want to break them. So, this is what it looks like. And let's see. So beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, here it is. This is the right side. If I can. This is the side that it's supposed to be on. So I'm thinking this for maybe spring or when it's time for Easter. And I'm thinking of possibly adding this, but I'm not sure. Let me know down below what you all think. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. I hope you all, the ones that won the giveaway, definitely get with me and send me your address